Practical accuracy test with a CZ-V22 upper on a DPMS lower with a velocity trigger and a Chinese copy of a bushnell scope. Target is 100 meters away. Oh well, it's not a sniper rifle, but when I ignore the one flyer, it's pretty good.